Smells clean.
This isn't fair. I don't deserve to be here. Freedom! No! Oh, puffball!
Lightning! What is this?
I'm trying to break this stupid barrier. I shouldn't have gotten out so early, Puffball. It's not fair. I have to be honest, I think it's impossible. But look, getting out of here is all I want, so I wish you luck. Wonder what's up there. Oh, hey TD, you got out, huh? Sorry about that, but nice to see you.
Is this really our only way out?
We also have Puffball and Fries trying outside. This is the best we got.
Someone might have just arrived.
True.
Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a.
Oh, it's you two. Bleh. Well, we need your help.
What city are we in, Lightning?
No clue. Why?
Really? To me, it looked familiar.
Yo. Wait, so you're trying to tell me everyone is battling for nothing?
Absolutely not. We are not doing that.
I'm really exhausted. I'm going to bed.
What the? Basketball, where'd you go? Stupid! Get out of my way! Gave me a stupid error! Is that the same as... Wait, see? Rusty's still alive! Baby Basketball and the others are too!
You got rid of our only exit out!
I don't think I'm having a realization.
I knew it!
Break.